Everyone, today I'm going to share have more fun. So no matter what you are doing, whether you are a coach or whether you are a singer, dancer, right, or whether you are a teacher, whether you are a musician, or you do anything, all right, we have fitness coach, bodybuilder, we have so many inspiring people in our community. So no matter what you do, right, see how you can have more fun in your life. I think having fun is so important in our life no matter what we do, right? That's why I do dance video as well, because I think dancing is so much fun. So see, so today I did my first interview, though we did on Friday as well, but Friday it was not recorded because of some technical difficulty. So today we recorded. Hopefully I'll be able to download it as well. But yes, I truly enjoyed it. So that's what I'm realizing, that universe want us to have more fun, right? And though coronavirus is like, it's not a good situation, it's challenging us, but I think when universe challenge us, then it's good for us only. So coal becomes a diamond in high pressure only. Right? So maybe universe is pushing us how we can go ahead and be better, and how we can have more fun in our life, right? And how we can go ahead and let go of things or career which is giving us a lot of stress. It's not that someone is good or bad, or some career is particularly good or bad, but I think sometimes some things are giving us a lot of stress and we don't realize it actually. And so if universe is telling you to let go of something, whether it's relationship, it's career, it's people in your life, right, do that, because maybe those people are giving you a lot of stress in your life actually. Right? That's what I'm realizing, that everything happens for your highest good, though we cannot go ahead and see the future, and at time when we feel okay, why it's happening this and that, right? But everything in your life happens for your highest good, and if universe want us to have more fun, what can be better than that, right? So maybe universe want you to like, suppose you work outside, right, and universe want you to go ahead and take care of your health right now, because maybe you don't do that when you work. Like sometimes I forget to eat, though some people think that I eat a lot, though that's not the case. Sometimes I forget to drink water, sometimes I forget to eat my second meal light, sometimes I don't used to take breakfast, now I do breakfast. But that's the thing, that sometimes when you truly love working, you forget to eat food. And so sometimes small things matter a lot, right? Like in October I thought I'll only concentrate on coaching and I'll give my 100%, 200%, but then I gained 3 kgs in 3 months, right? So it's important that like we do the things which bring us more fun, and I think when we have more fun, then we are more happy, we are more creative, and we enjoy life more. So see how you can go ahead and enjoy the life more, how you can go ahead and enjoy this present moment more, and how you can go ahead and do the thing which you already doing in a much better and productive way. And sometimes I think when you take a break for 1 or 2 days and you shut the outside noise, then you can listen to universe, and then you can do the things which universe truly want you to do, and it's for your highest good only. All right, though you may not, though like when things don't go our way, our ego feel bad, right? Why it's happening, it should not happen, this and that, right? But everything is happening for our highest good only, right? And so I think universe want us to have more fun and be more happy, and that's for our highest good only, and have less stress in our life. Also I have seen, like in some cases, some people are so habitual to stress that they think that that's best for them, all right, and they're not able to see that when one door closes, another opens as well. So So like instead of taking, you know, maybe universe is telling you to let go of things which are giving you a lot of stress, all right, and have more fun. Also, I have seen in my life that stress is the cause of any disease and laughter is the cure for any disease. So be happy, have more fun, enjoy more in your life. Have a wonderful and a blessed day ahead, everyone. Bye bye, take care, guys.